Well, students, till now we are discussed about what the virus, what the worms, Trojan horse, spam, spyware, adware, denial of service, and whole about the malware, right? And also we are studying that how they are infect to our computers and to our personal informations also, right? So nowadays we are using computers in many fields like homes, organizations, schools, and many public places. So we are using the pen drives, hard disks with the computer also. So they are transfer the data, they are transfer the viruses from our computer by the pen drives, by the out disks, right? So think once what the precautions for whole the thing, what how we protect our computers and our personal informations. So now I'm saying some of the tips to protect our computer by the malwares, right? First thing, we have to use the antivirus. It's not enough that by using the antivirus your computer are in a safe mode. That means you have to update your antivirus day by day. Clear? The same way you have to use the firewall. You have to share, don't share your stuff with any other person. Clear?
Now students, there are some commands which is used in our computer. Okay, first command 1, go to the run from your start menu, or you can type by run. Okay, so this pop up or window is open here. Okay, on that you have to type clean mgr, clean mgr. Okay, and here you have to give the drive in which you want to clean or you want to scan the for the virus, for cleaning the viruses, right? This is the first command. Okay, see, in the window the pop-up is there. After giving the drive we click on the OK button. Clear? Now it is cleaning our data. Okay, and it cleans our antiviruses, sorry, viruses, worms, and whatever the thing. Okay, by this clean manager or clean mgr. Okay, here we are selecting the files. Okay, see. Okay, so that means we are permanently delete our file by the deleting file option. Okay, follow the steps whatever is said here. Okay, here actually again it clean up. Okay, the second command is just one by one try it in your computer. Okay, here after going run you have to type prefetch, prefetch. Clear? The spelling is also there. Afterwards the drive or the window is appear here by the prefetch. Here actually we are cleaning the C drive because all the files or program files are in the C drive only. Okay, so by putting the by clicking control all, okay, and delete option, you can delete the whole files which contains the malwares by the prefetch option and clean it. Okay, it actually that process is going on, that's why these two files are here. Next is command 3. You can apply any one of the command for your computer. Then same, go to the run option here. Okay, after going click on the tree. Tree is the root class or root base of the your drive. Okay, that is saying as a tree. Okay, After clicking the tree option, see, I'm clicking on the tree. Clear? Here one window will appear. Something slow. Okay, by refreshing, actually that window is contains so many viruses, that's why it's not open. Something slow is here. Okay, just check down. Okay, actually this is the background process, it deletes our files. Okay, that's why it's not showing. Okay, the next step here, we are going to the Malwarebytes software. It is through the online you can delete your malwares. See, this window will appear here. You can download freely, it is available, or you can buy also. The it For if you want to buy, it gives the license for some days or 1 year, right? If I'm going the free downloadable, it gives a 15 days of license. So within that you can clean your computer, okay, by open this software, right? So it's showing that how many kind of viruses are there, which we have to clean. Some unwanted programs, malwares, everything is there, right? So see, I'm going to the for the free trial. Okay, when we get the free trial, there is a software setup is there. Okay, by clicking the setup, see, between that you are getting a malware byte. Okay, that icon will appear when you are going for a trial part. Clear? Okay, so by clicking that option, you can clean your malwares, viruses, everything. See, it detect, it scanned, it detected. Okay, so by this you can delete the whole files, or by can that you can scan the whole drive one by one. Okay, so for that, no need to but you have to no need to download also your file. You go to the better you go to the trial pack. Okay, within that you can clean your data. Clear? So these are the steps you have to follow, right?